We are going to be exploring how you can get the best from your background vocal. So for instance, you have a gang vocal, kind of like I need to go and show you, or you have something that is almost similar to that. I'm going to be showing you how you can use mid-side EQ to sculpt it out and to get the best out of it. So I already made a video about that. If you've not seen the video, go and see how you can get background vocals, different ways to create background vocals like a pro. Yes. And with that out of the way, let's get to it after the intro. Wire! Your zone. Welcome back to the studio, ladies and gentlemen. This is to tell you that the Krizbeatz Music Academy is currently ongoing right now. And yes, for throughout this year, we have a whooping 30% off on all our courses, mixing and mastering, beat making, advanced, and all courses majorly. So yes, chat them. Visit the website, chat the admin. The link will be in the description and you'll be able to get access to this type of stuff. So without out of the way, you need an EQ that allows you to do two things. Number one, mid-side EQ allows you to do mid-side processing. Number two, you need an EQ that allows you to trigger sidechain. Enough chit chatting, let's get straight into the first way of doing it. I've already done it here, so I'll just turn it off. This is what the vocal sounds like without the processing on it. I need to use headphones. Okay, don't worry. Yes, worry. Why are you laughing? He said, don't worry. He said, worry. It's true, though. Yes, of course, this is not mixed yet. And if you take your time to listen to it, you'll be able to hear a lot of clustering. I want to separate my lead yippee so that you can hear it and also hear the gang vocal. So what I would do in this case is to come to the gang vocal boss and bring in Fab Filter. So Fab Filter allows you to actually trigger a particular frequency in okay, let's reset this and start from the beginning. So this is kind of like what we'll be going in for, but let's clear that. If you open your Pro Q3, it's going to be like this. So I will come to the sidechain session on Ableton. Okay, this is Ableton, but this sidechain ability, you can do it on any DAW you use. So I'll come here and select my lead. Then after selecting my lead, I will play the song. So that the mic is not picking. I already see that both the yippee and my lead, they sit in the same frequency range. So what we're going to do is to come here and look for what we want to hear. If you see when we solo it, the most thing that you are hearing the lead as though we are on the lead channel. It's because of the sidechain. Okay, so we'll do Okay, so yeah, I will come here and change the stereo placement to mid. You know. So yeah, I will make it dynamic. I'll make dynamic. You can come here and make dynamic. So when you make it dynamic, this is where the magic happens. You click here, and then you click, see this little button here. When you toggle it on, you are telling Pro Q3 to, you allow the sidechain to determine how your dynamic EQ works. So every time you say yippee on the lead, this will dock the mid on this EQ. Remember, you are not actually docking the gang vocal. So for gang vocal, what you need the most is your side information. So which is what we will still compensate for that. So we're just reducing the mid while leaving the sides. Yes, so we'll do that and we'll change this side. Remember, we said we wanted to do the side, so we'll boost the side information a bit now. Yes, so by doing this, you will see that we are able to hear the lead properly and also listen to what the backgrounds are doing the same way. You see, we are not losing that. Of course, this is not mixed, like I said. This is just me showing how I would process this if I was going to do this. So that is definitely what you want to do if you are looking at doing this type of thing to make room for your vocals. Of course, there are so many plugins that allows you to do stuff like this. I just find the Pro Q one easy to do, and it gives you room to be able to actually dive things in properly. You can go band by band if you want. And not only Pro Q3, I'm also using this in sidechain as well. I'm also using this, and I'm using this frequency. I'm also taking out that using both my EQ as well. I'm using sidechain there. It's not recording. Okay. So yes, this is how you can get your vocals to sit properly in a gang vocal, where you want your vocals to also shine and allow for your background vocals as well to also shine. So this is one of the ways to do this out of the many ways to do it that we teach at Krizbeatz Music Academy. So yes, be sure to check the link below as we have 30% off throughout this year, and I'll catch you in the next class. Love. Yippee